Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Grizzly Mountain Downhill Diecast Raceway. This is the 20th Series Championship, the 20th time we've done this. And we've got 4 winners in this series. Let's meet them. First, let's take a look at all 4 cars on the championship stand here. You see race 1, race 2, race 3, and race 4. Those cars beat out everyone in their race. The first race winner was Samuel, driving the 2018 Camaro SSID car. His brother, an 11th grader, Tony, was our race 2 winner, driving Hot Wired. Traeger, driving Plymouth Barracuda, our race 3 winner, and probably one of the fastest cars we've seen on the track. And Bradford, driving Fusion Busta, our race 4 winner. So, round 4, everybody goes to the top of the mountain, tightens the belt, puts on the helmet, and they are excited to see who deserves to move on to the championship. It looks like, well, that track looks a bit crooked there. It looks like the Camaro hits the wall first. Samuel, 5 points. Bradford, 3. Tony, 2. Traeger, 0. But I'd like to take a look at that track. Something looks a little funny with it. Round 2, everybody rotates over 1 lane. So the Camaro is in lane 2, and they're off. Look at that curvy track. So looks like now this is a classroom track, so it gets bumped a lot. And that time Samuel, 7 points. Tony went up 7 points. Bradford dropped a position to 6. Traeger still did not finish, 0 points. Round 3. Again, what I think happened is the track got bumped, but that's putting some of these cars off. When they hit the jump, they're coming in at an angle, and they're not landing. And you see this here, boom, they hit that jump and kind of land funny. Oh, we have a flipping Tony into the finish line. Tony up to the top with 12 points. His brother Samuel drops down to second place, 9 points. Bradford tied for second place with 9 points, and still Traeger, 0 points. The only thing that makes this fair is, see right there, Traeger jumped from lane 3 to 4, but man, he hits that jump and slams the wall. He actually switched lanes and jumped, but a little too late for him. Tony, 14 points. He's our winner. Bradford up second place, 12 points. Samuel down 10 points. And Traeger, who finished first in that last race, 5 points. So what I was saying was the only way that it's fair is that everybody switches lanes, and so everybody races each lane. So our champion, Tony Hotwired, our season 20 champion, come back and catch us next time. For now, Mr. Johns is out.